What's up, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi, stock number 29196T, blue in color, chrome grille, chrome emblems, fog lights, painted aluminum wheel, a nice street tire, got chrome on the door handles. This is a 4x4 vehicle, meaning 4-wheel drive, power windows, locks, and mirrors, with a manual premium cloth seat. I kind of like the center console. It's got a little bit of storage here, but it turns into another seat with a seat belt. Essentially, you can have your kid up here next to you if you wanted to. Some storage, glove box, climate control, Bluetooth accessible radio, satellite ready, 4-wheel drive options, as well as your shifter that will not allow you to throw it in reverse while going 80. So don't worry about that. It's a safety feature. Now we got your cruise control, gear limits for towing, Bluetooth, different buttons here for some controls up in your gauge cluster, tilt wheel. Good looking truck. It doesn't have all the options, but that's why we have different lineups. Seats fold up, plenty of room in here, effortlessly fold up actually. Ram boxes in the floor. This one doesn't have ram boxes, so that's pretty much the first one I've ever seen without a ram box. Go to the back. Good looking truck, chrome bumpers, chrome dual exhaust, set up to tow, no receiver, but we can install those here for a fee. 4-pin, 7-pin hookup. There's your backup camera, bed size. Again, another feature that we could do here at Sherry's is a lot of custom things with our Rams, including wheels, tires, lift kits, you name it, we can do it. Different bumpers. Visit sherry4x4.com to see more like that. Also, make sure to give me a call, 937-778-0830. Be great, ask for Nate, and buy a Sherry. Thanks, guys.